game of cricket, then Super Sunday has come alive here in the Dream 11 IPL for the year 2020. We were talking about how awesome this match is going to be. We were expecting a cracker, and it has been an absolute run feast. Assam State cricketer Shomik alongside me. And Shomik, your thoughts on what has been an incredible game?
Now, indeed, it was a treat for the eyes. Some good batting display by both the teams, but I was very much impressed with the approach that Rajasthan showed from the initial go, even after losing the wicket of Butler early. Both Smith and Samson just kept on trying to chase the target down. After Smith went out, he along with Tewatia took his time initially, but what kind of brilliant hitting from him at the end. But it was like something miracle has happened, and I'm very much thrilled to watch matches like this.
Yeah, and it's so easy to turn things around, just like in life when your critics are on top of you. Rahul Tewatia coming in, of course, under pressure, and he was really struggling to get bat on ball. And then what fine hitting of Sheldon Cottrell, 5 sixes in that over. Absolutely unbelievable from Tewatia. I know, Shomik, you've been talking very highly about Rahul Tewatia, and he's come good when the team really needed him.
One must consider the team formation of Rajasthan Royals. Promoting Tewatia at number 4 was something everybody got astonished after they had the likes of Uthappa and Riyan Parag in the lineup. But he did justice to the faith that the team showed on him. And Cottrell for me was disappointing because maybe they thought that they had the match under their wraps after the dismissal of Sanju Samson. And nobody even thought in the wildest dream that at that moment of time that 65 from 23 balls could have been achievable, but Rajasthan just showed that spirit of never giving up. And one can see that they chased the target down with just 3 balls left.
Unbelievable. And I mean, the first inning seems so distant, but a great performance also from Rahul, and Mayank Agarwal was absolutely outstanding in the first innings. They put on such a competitive score in the first innings. Good batting display from Kings 11 Punjab, Shomik.
Yeah, the batting display by Kings 11 Punjab was up to the mark in a T20 match, and you can't want more. You can't score at least more than 224 was a very big target. The kind of display they showed, both Rahul and Mayank Agarwal, was something unbelievable. And then Pooran and Maxwell chipping in with some useful runs in the end was also something that I discussed in the earlier, that ground dimension of Sharjah is a little bit smaller than the other two grounds. So at the end, the hitting and the self-belief that the batsman had that they can chase down 224 was something I thought that they would go for, because any team in the previous match at Sharjah also we saw CSK without even trying to score runs scored the 200 runs. So after the target 224, I just thought that RR had a chance if they start off well, and they did, and ultimately they won the match.
And also very crucial innings from Jofra Archer coming in towards the end, and he's really been brilliant with not only ball but also with bat in hand. What a wonderful all-rounder Jofra Archer is.
Yeah, it was a good move by the Rajasthan Royals to send in Archer, because at that moment of time, ones and twos won't have won them the match. They needed some lusty hittings, and Jofra Archer just came in and just smacked 2 balls out of the park in the bowling of Mohammad Shami, who did really well in the earlier overs. So, moreover, I have no words to say right now, because even I, after watching the match, is so much thrilled. I just am thinking about the players of the Rajasthan Royals, how much thrilled they would be.
Absolutely. And a brilliant game, and that's like the perfect ending to Sunday. Thank you so much, Shomik, for this unexpected live session. And before we leave, your thoughts on RCB versus Mumbai, a big match coming up. This one from Dubai again tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow's match would be something. I would say both the teams are very much balanced. Let's see what we have in store, because what the para set by the two teams after today's match has gone up. Every other team would like to take this self-belief that they can turn any target. Unlike the previous matches where we saw it was a one-sided encounter, this match just showed us that any run is chaseable. So I guess we'll see more matches like this in the coming days.
Thank you so much, Shomik, and an absolutely brilliant game of cricket then. Rajasthan Royals getting the better of Kings 11 Punjab on this Super Sunday. A big thank you then to our panelist Shomik, and a big thank you to our viewers as well. Good night.